Alright, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Almighty T back here with, I ain't gonna say back here. I'm here with my first video on this channel. Channel is gonna be called AlmmightyTV. And yeah, if you guys, just want me, explain what this channel is gonna be about, just want to know stuff about me, what I do, every day, stuff like that. I can do a Q&A on that, stuff like that. Just let me know down in the comments what videos y'all want to see me do. But today, I got a video planned. I get a lot of people ask me, what I do, to get my waves. I got the rag on right now, but we finna get a little brush session and I'll bring y'all along with me. But a lot of people ask me, how to, what do you do to get, your 360 waves? What do I need to do to get waves like you? Yada yada yada, stuff like that. So right now, I'm just gonna do what I do at night, my little night routine, just what I do before I, go to bed and stuff like that. So that's all we gotta do, man. So I'm finna, unrag right now and, to get to the little brush session there and bring y'all on. Alright, YouTube, I'm back. Drop the damn camera, but alright, we back. Had to set up the camera, it took me a little minute, but I'm about to unrag right quick and yeah, just hit the little brush session. So damn! Alright, man, so I just unragged. I know y'all see I'm dipping a little bit, you feel me? Just a little bit. But, yeah, right now, I'm about to use the medium brush. I got the medium curve brush right here. Right here from I can't make it focus, but this brush is from Smooth Styles. Honestly, I don't know where you get it from. I have to figure that out, but yeah, I got it from my barbershop. One of her coworkers had sold it to me for 20. So yeah, about to use this right now to just lift my hair before I start combing it. So yeah, I'm gonna get into it. Got done brushing, now I'm finna use the comb right quick. It's gonna take me a little minute. I'll probably do it for like 15 minutes, so I'm just gonna cut it out and just skip to the next part. But I'll be right back when I'm done with the comb. Also, I forgot to mention, just to give you a little explanation, what I do when I'm combing. All I do is just go in the if you're starting your waves, if you're starting your wolf and you start combing. Just comb in the direction that you want your waves to go. Or, if you already have waves, you already know, just comb in the direction that your waves are already going. Yeah, so I just go, with the grain, then I also go against the grain. And yeah, so, I'll come right back to y'all, when I finish combing. Alright guys, so I'm back. The importance of combing, I forgot to mention this also, forks. You can probably see it right here. Forks is like a little gap in between your waves. It's like a break. No, it's like a break in your waves. When they're not connecting as good. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like a whole bunch of them. It's like probably like 3 or 4 on this side right here. I got one right here, and I got a couple in the back. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like one, like right down here. I can't really see it, but the points of combing is supposed to, like, you know, put your waves in order, like, you know, put your waves in, you know, the correct connections and stuff like that, just to break the forks. You know, that also not only combing helps with it, breaking forks, but also, you know, washing in style. You know, if you guys want me to do a video on that, you know, just let me know down in the comments below. But yeah, combing, you know, washing in style. When you're wolfing, what also helps with breaking forks, you know, using hard brushes, that helps with breaking forks too. And yeah, so, you know, I just got done with the combing right now. I'm about to go ahead and move on to the hard brush right now. This is a Diane 8159, and I also got this Torino Pro hard brush. This is hard, bro. That's why I prefer to use this one, because this one, I guess this one is used whenever, you know, whenever you're really far into wolfing. But I prefer to use this. This was like a medium hard. This one was like a hard, but I prefer to use this one because it's still as hard as this, but this one's super hard. I don't really use this one that much. But I'm about to go ahead and use this. But first, you know, I gotta apply the moisturizer. Right now, this is what I, you know, use daily. This is what I use, you know, in the morning and at night. So right here we got the Cantu Daily Oil Moisturizer. I use that first, then I go ahead and brush it in for, you know, like 10 minutes. Then I also got Curls Cream Brulee. I don't know how to say that, but you know, I got that too. I use that right after the Cantu and brush that in for 10 minutes as well. And yeah, so we finna go ahead and apply this here. Alright, so I just applied the Cantu in my hair. Now I'm finna, you know, go and hit it with the Diane right now for about like 15 minutes. And yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and brush it in. Alright y'all, so I just got done applying the Cantu in my hair and then brushing it with the hard brush for like 15 minutes. So now I'm about to apply this Curls Cream Brulee. I don't know if it's gonna go, but I'm about to go ahead and apply that, and then hit it with the Torino medium brush for about like 10 minutes, and yeah, I'll hit y'all. Alright y'all, my bad. My camera died. So what I did after I did the medium brush, after I applied the that cream brulee stuff, and then I, you know, used the Torino for about 10 minutes. What I did after that was just, you know, use the soft right here, the soft Torino. The soft brush really helps like lay your hair down. You know, once you're done with, you know, with your full brush session, the soft brush is just, you know, just to lay your hair down and stuff like that. And then after that, use the plastic bag method. That's what really, the soft brush, you know, just gets your hair for laying down. It lays down some of the hairs, and then, you know, using the bag, you know, really lays down your hair. before you rag up. So yeah, after that, use the soft brush, bag method. Then after that, you just rag up. Right now, I'm wolfing. I'm on like 5 weeks right now. I'm about to cut it off tomorrow anyway, just because we got school. First day of school back on Wednesday, but I'm gonna cut it off. But when you're wolfing, you want to use more than one do-rag. I use 2 do-rags instead of like a wave cap, because I had one before, but it ripped. So now I'm just stuck with using 2 do-rags. But really, all you really need to do is just use a do-rag and a wave cap. I'll probably show you how to just tie your do-rags with a wave cap or whatever in another video. But right now, I'm just I put a do-rag on first, and then I put another do-rag on top of it, so just for more compression, just to lay my wave down more. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. This was my night routine, my day routine, whatever you want to call it. This is just what I do, just to keep my waves in maintenance and stuff like that. And yeah, so guys, just like, comment. Alright, YouTube, that's it for this video, man. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and down in the comments, just let me know what other videos y'all guys want to see and shit like that. Yeah, just let me know what other videos y'all guys want to see. I guess that's it, man. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, post notifications, yada, yada, yada. And I'll catch y'all guys in the next video. I'm out.